Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your assets with Vanguard, beginner guide step-by-step clear. To protect your assets with Vanguard, start by creating an account. Visit the Vanguard website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email, and social security number. Create a strong password to secure your account. Once your account is set up, log in to the Vanguard platform. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its various features. Next, assess your current financial situation. List your assets, liabilities, and overall net worth. Identify your financial goals, whether for retirement, education, or building wealth. Research Vanguard's investment options that align with your goals. Consider low-cost index funds as a good starting point for asset protection. Diversify your investments to minimize risk. Allocate your assets across different types of funds or stocks to spread out potential losses. Utilize Vanguard's risk assessment tools to understand your risk tolerance. Open an investment account suited for your needs, such as a brokerage or retirement account. Fund your account by linking it to your bank account for easy transfers. Begin investing by selecting your chosen funds or ETFs. Set up automatic contributions to consistently grow your investments. Monitor your portfolio regularly to stay informed about your investments. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Stay educated about market trends, using Vanguard's research and resources. If needed, consult with a financial advisor for personalized advice. Keep your investment strategy aligned with your long-term financial goals. Protecting your assets with Vanguard involves continuous learning and adjustment. Stay patient, as building wealth takes time and discipline. By following these steps, you can effectively safeguard your assets through Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.